Here goes the brave farmer into the barn to get the skunk. Ooh.
We have some movement. You want to come get a picture of him?
Not if he's turned around backwards. I
He's
don't.
not turned around.
Okay. There he is.
Hey, little dude.
Hi.
Hey there, little dude. Yes, you're a sweet boy.
And here come the chickens to see what's going on. Oh, don't let them get him riled up. Here come the rest of the chickens to see what's going on.
Let me see that big one.
Oh, there goes that chicken's going in. Uh-oh. Oh. Okay. The idea is keep calm, right? Okay.
I'm calm.
I know you're calm, I'm not.
Hey, little bad guy. Yes, you're looking at me, aren't you? Yeah, just keep looking at me. There you go. Yeah. Yeah, you're a sweet little guy. You are so cute. You are cute, yes you are. You are cute.
Okay, so far so good.
So far so good.
Okay.
Next.
Are you typing it? Can you hear it? For the ball. Oops.
Okay, girls.
You're very gentle when you're carrying a skunk.
Yes.
Rock the boat, don't rock the boat. Don't tip the boat over, rock the boat. Okay, so far so good.
Step 1 complete.